If this guy can even handle wind or rain, I mean, Tello can handle it all. We're gonna go ahead and see if this guy can. And something to find out, right? So, got it on. How this guy act in this environment. And go from here. It's raising all the way up. Alright. It looks like he can handle it. And, oh wow. I think I got in the salty mode. Alright, hold on. I'm gonna go ahead and go to speed. Okay. Got it now. Let's see. I'm on the fast mode. He's handling it. Yeah, it's moving around. It's moving around with the wind. You see that, guys? Yeah, whatever the wind goes, this is where this drone is going. And I gotta not a wind drone. And let's go ahead and put this back. Wow. Now you guys see this guy wanna go ahead and go that direction. Whatever the wind is blowing, that's where he's going. So we're gonna go ahead and it's getting windy now too. All right, we're gonna see how far can it go from here all the way down there and come back. Here you go. And I'm already on the fast mode. Why is it going all the way up? Yeah, it's yeah, it's barely. Yeah, it's going with the wind. We're gonna go ahead and forward, go towards the wind. Let's see how far can this guy go. All right. Yeah, he doesn't want to stay in one area. So upflow system did not work right. Let's see how far can it go. Yeah, I can't. You know, and I'm gonna go ahead and go this way. He can't handle it. Yeah, it's coming back to me. Look at this, guys. All right, I'm gonna turn around. Coming towards me. Oh wow, it's going, look, it's going toward the wind. Stop, stay where you at. Now it's going backwards. Stay right there. And you can see stop in the middle of the field. Yeah. Stays right there. I mean, it did fly better than Me Too drone. This one's a little bit better than Me Too. But yes. Yeah, see, it's not staying in one area. He wants to move. Okay, now staying. It's moving around right now. Yeah, so whatever the wind is blowing, it's going. You see that? Yeah. I mean, it's fighting the wind. All right, you guys see it's moving around like crazy. And I'm gonna go ahead and look, it's hard to control. Stay one area. See, he's moving. I'm walking. Do you need a GPS? It's gonna hit the tree. Okay, see, now I gotta control it. So you don't want to fly this way up there. You will lose this drone if you do have this. See, right now it's going. Yeah, it's going with the wind. I'm gonna go ahead and it's going with the wind. Whatever the wind is blowing, that's where this guy is going. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and see if I can land it. Yeah. Now you guys can see, I'm gonna go ahead and land it because I got 44% battery. See what he can. He is wet, but he's moving around. You know what? I'm just gonna go ahead and fly it. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and fly Tello. You know what? I'm gonna go ahead and I think I have enough. I'm just gonna do emergency landing. Yeah. Okay. Okay. What the heck? See, you gotta shut it off. It's weird. Now you guys see how this guy went. And stop the video. And then you know what? I'm gonna do one more. I'm probably just gonna go ahead and finish it because I'm already like how many percent battery. I'm gonna go and try it again. All right, go back here. If Tello can do it, you gotta do it, man. See if I can. Let me see if he can give me a good photo. Okay, it's moving around like crazy. Come over here. Yep, that's it. Battery's dead. So the battery's dead.